Welcome back to the S show. So I'm gonna give you a real quick backstory here. Jeremy's old lady has an 05 Hemi Magnum RT all-wheel drive. Kind of a rare bird. They made about 3,000 of them. It hydro-locked years ago. They had another Hemi put in it, and instantly that Hemi always seemed to have had problems. Well, now that Hemi is dead. So this guy local here has a $500 truck. But wait till you see how cherry this f***er is. Oh yeah, I don't know why he's getting rid of it, to be honest. It's got one flat. It is 5-volt.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do we know?
1,500, we don't know shit.
No. Oh,
but she's got a Hemi and a flat tire. Oh.
Oh.
And just like any of these, the struts are blown out. I need a broomstick. It's got a dead battery, flat tire. We're gonna change that shit, drive it back into town, hopefully. Hop in, throw it in gear, and see if it stops itself, huh?
Not bad.
Hey! It doesn't seem like a bad truck, dude.
That's gotta be. Guessing tires has a lot to do with it. But the front end, it's like this the most couch potato. It's really hard to drive.
Oh.
It's fine though.
Maybe just park the Magnum in the yard for the rest of the winter and let Nikki drive this the rest of the
No,
winter.
it doesn't feel right. It's like there's shit going on.
It does burnouts for distance.
Yeah. There you go, baby.
Yeah.
I am not driving that.
A to B.
Cyrus said the sides flap when he goes down the highway.
Yeah, it does. It does burnouts.
Does it?
Lots
It's
of them.
loud.
How bad are the brakes?
They work, but they are so warped. Like right there, the truck goes slow and then speeds right back up and slow. They must be warped only at one spot.
If the box didn't look so bad, I would drive this.
But the box, it's not, I mean.
It's destroyed.
It is. Yeah, no check engine light. It's got a little pressure. It was charging. You know, it was charging the whole time. The radio doesn't work.
Oh. Yeah.
I mean,
Well,
Oh my God.
but when you're driving it, you don't see all that.
yeah, the frame's a little broken back here.
Yeah, it is.
But the leaf spring's kind of holding it together.
Yeah, they are. I was thinking we go throw $10 in gas and go thrash this fucker the rest of the day. Down in the gill and beat the shit out of it. Damn it, no, you need the motor.
Yeah, I need the motor. Dude, I punched on the gravel. It was like, oh yeah, I got this counter steer, and then it didn't want to do it because it was going probably one wheel to two wheel.
It was both wheels.
And then the steering is so sloppy. It's fucked. You're like hanging on.
Gonna do it for this one. That's Jeremy's $500 sacrificial truck.
Terrific exhaust leak, but
No. Probably sounds awesome.
Oh, good oil
Bill.
pressure on the gauge. You know, good oil pressure, that come right up. Like the temp was just starting to creep when we, you know, operating.
Well, for being 2 miles away, it drove like ton.
Right. I would like to get it. Oh, look at that, dog approved.
Yeah. Oh, take it back. Take it back. All right, brother. See you later.
My guy.
You need one, Jeremy?
No, I'm good.
Okay, I need one.
I mean, if you open it nice and easy and drink it really,
like a chick.
just drink it like normal.
Like you?
We got
Bird
open
lips
it.
on it?
Bird lipping it.
Whatever. You all right?
I'm fine. Don't worry about it. Keep filming.